Hi everyone, my name is Ranjit. Hoping you all are doing great. As usual, here I have something important for you. I'm gonna share something important regarding IELTS writing task 2. I have some words here, some sentences, and you can replace these words, these sentences with high level words, advanced structure, high level words or sentences, and thus you can increase your score in your IELTS writing task too. So एंड तक वीडियो जरूर देखिएगा ताकि आपको इस वीडियो से बेनिफिट्स मिल सके. Okay, so now without wasting so much time, let's dive into this topic. You can replace help with assistance. Teach, instead of teach you can write impart. Okay, जैसे teach, impart knowledge. Okay, impart. Pass on, give, it means impart means give, pass on, communicate. Okay, knowledge, information, impart. Vary, so instead of it you can write extremely, excessively, immensely. Okay, immensely, exceptionally, many word. This is replaced by the words plenty, innumerable, numerous, myriads. Now next word is however. You can replace it with nevertheless, notwithstanding. Next one is option, replacing with alternative. Next one is reduce, you can use instead of reduce mitigate, diminish. Next one is ruin, instead of it use the word eradicate. Next one is necessity, compulsory, mandatory, obligatory. Now next one is give, provide, stop, prevent, get, obtain, acquire, accomplish, believe, perspective, notion, fight, combat, battle, careless, reckless. Next one is carelessly, recklessly. Plants and animals, flora and fauna. Plants and animals, you can replace it with flora and fauna. Important, significant, vital, pivotal. So friends, ऐसे करके आप ऐसे वर्ड्स आप with high level words आप replace कर सकते हो. Okay, now sentences, कुछ sentences, let me share some sentences replacing with high level sentences you can write in your IELTS writing task too, and you can increase your score. Okay, now let's start. First one is however dash has some negative effects. जहाँ पे अगर किसी चीज़ के आप नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स बता रहे हो तो आप सेकंड पैराग्राफ में, आप थर्ड पैराग्राफ में आप BP2 में आप बताओगे नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स. अगर आप पॉजिटिव एडवांटेजेस और डिसएडवांटेजेस का टॉपिक है आपके पास तो आप यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग हाउएवर डैश यहाँ पे आप टॉपिक मेंशन करोगे हैज़ सम नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स. इसकी जगह पे आप लिख सकते हो however negative aspects of this. यहाँ पे टॉपिक मेंशन करोगे can't be neglected. Okay, कि neglect इन्हें इग्नोर नहीं किया जा सकता इसके नेगेटिव इफ़ेक्ट्स को. तो ये ऊपर वाली थोड़ी सी जैसे सिंपल कॉमनली यूज्ड, मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स यूज इट राइट लाइक दिस. तो अब से आप ये वाली लाइंस ऐसे आप लिख सकते हो और ये डेफिनेटली आपको हेल्प करेगा आपके स्कोर बढ़ाने में, आपके IELTS राइटिंग टास्क 2 में. नाउ ऐसी और एग्जांपल्स हैं. नाउ आई टेल यू वन बाय वन. सेकंड वन इज Nowadays, people are enjoying more convenient life because of advanced technology. Nowadays, people's life has become more convenient by the dint of technological advancements. Friends, here I used by the dint of. This is phrase. This is most important, wonderful, fabulous phrase. You can use it. Its meaning is इसका मतलब है as a result of. Something happens as a result of something. Something happens as a result of something. It means something happens by the dint of something. Okay, कुछ हुआ है उसके result के तौर पे कुछ और हुआ. Okay, so here nowadays people's life has become more convenient. लोगों की life convenient, easier बन गई है by the dint of. It means as a result of. As a result of, most of students as a result of ही use करते हैं, तो आप instead of as a result you can use by the dint of technological advancements. Now I tell you more sentences like this. Next one is the main problem causing traffic jam is too many cars. Main problem जो है वो क्या कर रही है, causing उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, ट्रैफिक जैम इज टू मैनी कार्स. जो टू मैनी कार्स है उसकी वजह से ट्रैफिक जैम है. ओके, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ इट यू कैन राइट, rather than writing this sentence, you can write the primary cause of traffic congestion is use of too many cars. The primary cause of traffic congestion, instead of traffic jams you can write traffic congestion. Okay, traffic congestion is use of too many cars. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, primarily the use of too many cars on the road is causing traffic congestion. Primarily the use of too many cars on the road is causing traffic congestion. There's need to take some measures to solve this issue. Now rather than it you can write some measures, some steps. Okay, some measures need to be taken in order to solve this issue. In order to, इस उद्देश्य से, इस issue को solve करने के उद्देश्य से कुछ measures, कुछ steps लेने की ज़रूरत है. Now next one is some people say that a fair amount of people believe, or you can say you can write opine that to start with there are many reasons why. आप BP1 में आप ऐसे स्टार्ट करते हो, टू बिगिन विद, टू स्टार्ट विद, देयर आर मेनी रीजंस व्हाई. ओके, सो इसकी जगह पे आप लिख सकते हो टू इम्बार्क ऑन, इट मीन्स स्टार्ट, इम्बार्क इट मीन्स स्टार्ट करना, बिगिन करना, ऑन देयर आर मल्टीपल रीजंस. मल्टीपल आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो इन्यूमरेबल, काउंटलेस, plenty of, okay, numerous. So friends, here I end my topic. If you want such more useful videos, please comment below. Okay, now I'll meet you in another such video, such wonderful, informative, wonderful, good, interesting video. Till then, take care, keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.